How to fix Roblox cursor going off screen. What's up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you guys two methods which can fix your problem where your mouse cursor goes off screen while playing Roblox. So if you play any experience or any games from Roblox and suddenly your mouse goes off screen and you cannot use it, just follow these steps and you'll be good to go. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your display settings is in correct format. So in order to do that, just head over to your desktop and click on any blank space right here. And from here, you can just click on display settings. It will open up your display settings. And now from here, what you want to do is go ahead and click on scale. Make sure that it's set on recommended, and also on display resolution. Make sure that it's on recommended. If you don't have it set to recommended and change it to the recommended settings, then your screen might flash or blink for a second, so that's totally normal, and it will reset your display settings. Once you do that, you might want to refresh your laptop once again and try to open up your Roblox right here. So once you do that, your problem should pretty much be fixed. But if it's still not fixed, then what you can do is go ahead and search for Roblox player right here, and on your Roblox player you want to open up the app settings. So if you want to open up app settings, you first have to click on apps, and from here just click right here. Once you open up your app settings, you want to click on installed apps and search for Roblox right here. So I'm just going to scroll down to find Roblox, and once you do find it, what you want to do is just open up its settings. So I'm just going to search it for here. So I'm just going to search for Roblox. Now from here you want to click on it and click on modify if you have that option. Once you open Roblox app settings, you will have an option to reset it. So once you reset that, you just have to restart your PC, and once you restart it, your problem should be fixed. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you next time.